Howdy, everyone. I'm Isaiah. I'm here to share insights from three recent presentations I had the privilege to attend. Now, each presentation delved into critical ecological and environmental topics, three of them, each offering valuable perspectives worthy of our consideration. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and delve into the essence of these scholarly discussions. Now, our first discussion and presentation is going to be on Galveston Bay and zooplankton sampling. The title of this presentation is Building Up Ecological Indicators for the Assessment and Recovery of Estuarine Ecosystems in the Wake of External Disturbances. Our presenter was Bailey Lynn. She's a graduate student from A&M. Now, a summary of her presentation is Bailey Lynn explores key ecological indicators, each essential for understanding and restoring estuarine ecosystems, focusing on Galveston Bay. Now, given the numerous human and natural stressors and pressures affecting Galveston Bay, I believe Bailey's research is of paramount importance, in my opinion. Now, Bailey's project aims to monitor zooplankton dynamics and environmental factors to guide effective estuarine management amidst climate change. So, my reaction to her presentation, I believe her presentation highlighted the very vital role of very thorough research in understanding these estuarine resilience in environments. And it prompted me to consider the broader implications of zooplankton dynamics, emphasizing the relevance of Bailey's work in preserving estuarine ecosystems. Now, our second presentation is going to delve into corals and their microbiomes. The title of this presentation was Mapping the Microbial Landscapes of Porite Corals. Our presenter was Reagan Dorothy Scott. She's an undergraduate student from the University of Austin. Now, our presenter, a summary of her presentation would be as follows. Reagan Dorothy Scott, she uh, she explores the microbial landscape of porite corals, highlighting them as the forest of the seas, and I believe this is due to their vital role in the marine ecosystems. Now, Reagan's research aims to uncover the factors shaping the microbiome of porite corals, including the age of the coral, the location, and the host genetics. Through meticulous methodology and analysis, with her and her team characterizes microbial diversity and richness across different age cohorts of porites corals. This reveals very intriguing patterns in microbial community assembly. For example, some of her key findings include the differential abundance of the genera Endozoic Comonas and the Vibrio across coral sites and age classes, with Vibrio species, particularly Vibrio coraliticaus, being more prevalent in juveniles. My reaction to her presentation is that it provided a thought-provoking exploration into the world of coral microbiomes, and it offered me very valuable insights into this complex interplay of different various factors influencing the coral's health. And it really, as a coral enthusiast, someone who's been scuba diving across the globe, it really just deepened my appreciation for the delicate balance with marine ecosystems and the vital role microbial communities play in sustaining these coral reefs, which are also beautiful. Now, our third presentation is going to be about subterranean estuary communities. The title of this presentation is Responses and Resilience of Karst Subterranean Estuary Communities to Precipitation Impacts. Now, our presenter was Fernando Calderon Gutierrez. He was an undergraduate student, and our summary of his presentation is that Fernando Calderon Gutierrez investigated the response and resilience of Karst subterranean estuarine communities to precipitation impacts, delving into the very intricate, fragile dynamics of cave fauna and the various environmental conditions they were faced with. Now, the research explored the classification of these cave fauna, all while highlighting the extreme conditions they endure, such as limited light, food, and oxygen, and the challenges of small populations. Fernando's examination of meteorological impacts on subterranean estuaries provided key insights into the effects on associated faunal communities and their various adaptability to these cave ecosystems. So, in conclusion, Fernando's findings underscored the significant impact of these meteorological events on subterranean estuaries, emphasizing their vulnerability to climate change. Yet, despite these challenges, the resilience displayed by these microfauna and different organisms in the estuary community reveals a remarkable capacity for their ability to adapt within the cave ecosystems. Now, my reaction to Fernando's presentation is that his presentation illuminated the hidden world of the subterranean estuary communities that just baffled me with their ability for these organisms to thrive amidst such adversity. And it left me contemplating this very intricate dance of nature within the cave ecosystems and the resilience of life in the face of constant environmental uncertainty, which made me have a newfound appreciation and for these very unique habitats. So, in conclusion, with all these presentations, I believe they underscore the importance of our scholarly inquiry in understanding the ecological systems and their various vast environmental dynamics. So, thank you for joining me in this exploration of ecological research. I look forward to our further discussions. That's it for now.